$330,000. We're looking at a number of these today. Here is another ranch style house. We're in Chesterfield County, right over here. That is the sound wall that they don't always use anymore, fun fact, but that keeps the sound down. The other side of that is Powhatan Parkway. So we're right near the exit to 95, Route 1 and 301. But on this side of the wall, we have this lovely brick ranch. Black shutters, newer roof. It is fenced. It's a gravel driveway. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. This gray house over here looks to be newer and maybe has replaced one of these original brick ranches. Or maybe that was just a lot that was never developed. I do like this front porch area. We're gonna go inside. Look at this. So cute. Okay. So I shut the door. I'm quiet so you can listen to see. Do you hear the traffic? Does it bother you? Very open concept. Love that fireplace in the dining area. Look, they've removed most of the walls and there's beams in the kitchen area. Oh, so cute. We're probably standing in what was originally the front room. It's still the front room. The windows have been replaced. The center window is still there, but these windows on the side, they are tilt-out vinyl replacement windows. That's gonna help with the sound reducing from the noise. I like the chair rail, a little closet here with a pull cord for the light. 2 new ceiling fans and lights here. Very cozy. We come into this area and that fireplace has been converted to gas. I can tell that here, down here is your key for the to turn the gas on and off. But once upon a time, it was surely a wood-burning fireplace. Let's take a look back there and look at the kitchen. Very cute. I like that they've put a lot of character into this house. So it's like not new construction, new construction. Coming out back, you've got very fat squirrels that do enjoy this fence. It is semi-fenced. I'm going to use the word semi-fenced because, yes, there's a fence. There's a couple of fences. And then as we go down, the fence is kind of falling down. Looks like there's a wire fence on the other side. Honeysuckle. And then there's storage back there and a wire fence on this side. And here's the back of the house. This is interesting. It's a vent from somewhere. Let's go back and remember what's on that side of the kitchen wall. No gutters. Not a criticism, just they're not there. They used to be there because there is a gutter coming up the side, but it's not attached to anything along the back roof. See? Just kind of empty at the top. So they could be re-added. It's a nice size yard. And you have a beautiful view of 150. Let's go back inside. Okay. Louvered doors that don't really want to open. Let's try this side. Oh, push. All right, so we've got washer dryer space. Okay, first off, this is a problem for so many reasons. The electrical panel is here. The water heater has been put here. This is your washer dryer hookup. It used to be that there would be side by side washer and dryer. And these bifold doors should not fold in. If you're gonna put bifold doors on there, I'm here backwards or upside down, pick your poison, anything you want. But they need to fold out because obviously you cannot have an appliance there with the door opening in. So great thought on the not taking up floor space here. That's not going to work. Additionally, with the water heater here, and maybe it's always been there, there is not space for side-by-side washer and dryer. You're going to have to stack them. There's still no drain on the floor here. And you're going to want to stack them on this far left so that you still have access to your electric panel. Let's move on. Love the kitchen. Very pretty. Really like this backsplash. Gray subway tile. Very pretty black granite counters. And this is fabulous. Super pretty. Dishwasher. Notice no microwave. That's okay. Double sink. Nice. I like that. It's not soft close drawers. Thankfully, on the island, which is, again, not soft close drawers. I'd like these better if they were drawers, but that's okay. Thank goodness this island is here, because otherwise this has Sarah's kitchen disease, which is no drawers. So here we have 2 smaller drawers and thankfully these 2 drawers. Coming down the hallway, little pantry closet area. Don't forget, there is a coat closet at the front. So coming down the hall, we got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. Let's look at bedroom number 1. Front, middle of the house. This is a nice size. Closet doors open nicely. Oh, look, they have retrofitted this with ductwork and wrapped that in that same leftover from the island. So you've got closet space and ample room in this. This is a nice size room, probably 12 by 11-ish. Hollow core doors, not atypical. This next room, a little bit larger, probably almost 13 by 13. Sometimes I would really like to take a measuring tape and see if I'm close. But it's very square. Nice that there's 2 windows here, good cross ventilation. This is an original door. This is I think this is more of a solid door. It's interesting, they've cut it down for some reason. Whereas this is a replacement. Coming into the primary. This is what the door should look like at the laundry room. And that's easy enough to do. It just needs to be turned around. Again, replacement windows, flat ceilings. I like the light. You've got the closet. Oh, I love the beadboard look in here. And it's painted. And it's beadboard all around. I love it. And it's painted, so it gives it some nice charm. This isn't definitely an updated bathroom. Beautiful shower. Love that it's tiled to the ceiling. It's pretty colors. Really pretty colors. And it's a nice size. Squeaky. Look. Little sink. And look, you don't see this every day where the toilet is at an angle. Could be that this wasn't a full bath and they converted it. It's a full bath now. Squeaky shower, sink, toilet. Very cute. Very, very cute. One last place to check out is the second full bath. Beadboard below the chair rail. Single vanity. Insert fiberglass, nice big tub. Let's stand in it just to see. Does not really squeak. I like that. Very cute. What's this down here say? Remove this film. Okay. Thermostat, coming on back. Now, as I come back, I'm just gonna say, like, I almost started to gravitate towards the right. There should be a refrigerator right here. So again, you're gonna need a refrigerator, washer and dryer. This is very comfortable.